guys, we are reviewing Samsung HT-J5100K/XL 5.1 channel home theater system today. It's a budget product, no issues at all while experiencing movies. However, the item is surely not meant for audiophiles. The closest competition item from the competition costs 10,000 rupees extra. The Samsung HT-J5100 is designed to deliver deeper and richer bass. Vibrations radiate through the system to ensure all low notes are faithfully reproduced. Enjoy powerful sound that will make you feel as though you're at the cinema. The Samsung HT-J5100 values audio just as much as visual. The HT-J5100 utilizes unique patented Crystal Amp Pro technology that dramatically enhances sound quality. Personalize your audio with user equalizer settings accessible on your main TV display. You can directly adjust the levels of each frequency band to perfectly suit the mood or your taste. With the TV Sound On feature, you can enjoy all of your favorite TV shows in high-quality surround sound at the push of a button. Simply press the hotkey on the remote control to instantly activate the Samsung J5100's powerful home theater speakers. System doesn't have Bluetooth connectivity. But this system have an optical port. HDMI cable included with it. All 5 speakers are sturdy. But only the subwoofer rear was like plain plywood type. Blu-ray player/receiver design is exquisite. I was worried before that there was no ARC specified in HDMI out port, but Samsung declared it has ARC. It is 100% ARC HDMI out, so no worries. FM connection is good, but wire not long enough to reach open window. There is no Bluetooth, NFC and other internet connections, only HDMI connections and audio 3.5mm port for headphones. So, here are the pros and cons in nutshell. Pros: great Blu-ray player home theater, with FM antenna, pen drive support, HDMI, aux cable, DVD and CD, optical cable support etc. Great value for money product as it costs 13,799 rupees, but for Sony 1000 watt home theater, we have to give minimum 21,000 rupees. Crystal clear sound with good bass. Few of the cons are: in order to access pendrive, home theater needs to be connected to TV. No Bluetooth connectivity. If the power goes off, it won't read pendrive automatically, we have to select pendrive again when power comes back. Very small size speakers, settings are not easy, no option in remote control for changing volume of individually each speaker, and wire connectors are not available. Unable to extend speaker wires without cutting original wires. I have provided purchase links below in YouTube description box. This also contain links for many other interesting and unique products that you cannot come across through Google search. Hope you enjoy the video. If you like, please subscribe the channel for future videos from my channel product reviews. Also click on the bell icon. Please give me a thumbs up by hitting on the like button. Also comment if you have any queries. I try my best to clarify your doubt. Thanks for watching. This is Jason Peter, signing off.